Mopping is the worst. Pushing a dirty rag around on a stick just doesn't feel clean and it kills your back. I got tired of the hassle, so I tested the top 5 electric floor mops, from steam blasters to robotic spinners, to see which one actually scrubs grime away and which one just spreads it around. Here is the best electric mop for your home. Product number 1, Kärcher FC7 Electric Floor Cleaner. When I unboxed the Kärcher FC7, it looked like a serious piece of machinery. It doesn't just spin pads, it has these 4 counter-rotating rollers that actually propel the machine forward. It felt like walking a dog that knows where it's going. The best part during my testing was the dual tank system. Unlike other mops that just push dirt around, this one constantly wets the rollers with fresh water and sucks the dirty gunk into a separate tray. I spilled coffee and cereal on the floor, and it picked up the solids and liquids in one pass. It also gets right up to the baseboards without missing a spot. The floors dried in about 2 minutes because it doesn't leave them soaking wet. If you have the budget and want the deepest clean possible, this is the one to get. Product number 2, Shark Steam and Scrub S8201. If you prefer steam to kill germs, the Shark Steam and Scrub feels completely different. It combines heat with motion. Holding it, I noticed the rotating pads do all the heavy lifting, over 150 scrubs a minute. My favorite feature was the steam blaster. I had a dried sticky juice spot on my kitchen tile, and with one touch I hit it with a blast of steam and the pads wiped it away instantly. No chemicals, just water, which is great if you have pets. The LED headlights are a nice touch, helping me see dust under the cabinets I usually miss. It does need to be plugged in, but the cord is long enough. If you want to sanitize your floors without buying expensive detergent refills, this is the best chemical-free option. However, if you need something specifically designed for pet messes. Product number 3, BISSELL Spin Wave Pet. You should look at the BISSELL Spin Wave Pet. This is built for dogs that leave muddy prints everywhere. It's corded so you never run out of battery mid-clean. When I pushed this around, the swivel steering made it super easy to glide around my dining table legs. It comes with these soft touch pads that are gentle on hardwood but tough on paw prints. I really liked the on-demand spray button on the handle. It let me soak a particularly bad mess before running over it. It's quiet too, which didn't freak out my dog like the vacuum does. It comes with trial-size formulas and the pads are washable, so you aren't throwing money away on disposables. If you need a reliable workhorse specifically for cleaning up after furry friends, this is the solid choice. Product number 4, BISSELL Spin Wave Hard Floor Expert. The Spin Wave Hard Floor Expert is very similar to the pet model, but I noticed this kit focuses more on value for general homes. It comes with a whopping 6 reusable pads right in the box, which meant I could clean my whole house and still have fresh pads for the next time without doing laundry immediately. The machine-powered scrubbing feels exactly the same. It does the elbow grease for you. I tested this on my sealed linoleum, and it lifted old dried sauce stains without scratching the finish. It's lightweight enough to carry upstairs without a struggle. The spray trigger gives you total control over how much solution you use, so you don't warp your wood floors. If you want the same BISSELL reliability but want more pads included up front, grab this version instead. Product number 5, Cordless Electric Mop. Finally, if you hate cords but don't want to spend Kärcher money, I tested this generic cordless electric mop. It's surprisingly lightweight and stands up on its own, which is handy for storage. The standout feature here is the battery life. I got a solid hour of cleaning out of it, which was enough for my whole downstairs. It has dual motors that spin inwardly, creating a self-propelled feeling that pulls the mop forward, so I barely had to push. The water tank is built in and you just press a button to spray. It's whisper quiet, less than 50 decibels. While it doesn't have the vacuum suction of the high-end models, it scrubs well for daily maintenance. If you want the freedom of cordless cleaning without the massive price tag, this is a great budget-friendly pick. Whether you need the heavy-duty suction of the Kärcher or the steam power of the Shark, your back will thank you for ditching the bucket. I've dropped links to all 5 of these in the description box below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.